What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. I'm gonna give you a couple tricks on how to get a bolt in an area where it's hard to reach. So I'm gonna take the socket and an extension. I can take the bolt and I can take some tape. You can use electrical tape or masking tape. I'm just gonna tape around the bolt like this, like that. That way it stays in the socket. I can install it. When you go to install it, just pull the socket up and it pulls right out. The bolt's in the spot you need it. Another way to use tape is put tape over the socket and then we'll just push. You're just gonna force the bolt in there like this. And the tape is gonna hold the bolt in there. And you can go over and install the bolt. Get that started. Once it's started, then you can pull it off. There's the tape. Pull it right off. Another trick is to take some grease, put some grease on the bolt. Put that on the socket and just wipe the grease off. And the grease is going to hold the bolt in. Slide the bolt in. Just like that. And then pulls right out. That little bit of grease on the bolt isn't going to make any difference. It can stay there. Another trick would have been if you had a socket that had a magnet in it. I don't happen to have one. That would be ideal, but I don't have one. If any of you guys have any tricks, leave me a comment below of anything else. Maybe I'll use them in the future. Thanks. I hope this video helped you out.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.